Welcome once again, and let's talk about Terra Classic Coin getting massive exchanges listing now. Remember, Bittime have actually listed Terra Classic Coin, and Binance US are also planning on listing Terra Classic Coin very soon. Now, I believe Coinbase listing Terra Classic Coin is going to become the biggest Terra Classic listing of this year. Now, remember, we have been talking about Coinbase listing Terra Classic Coin, and there has been Terra Classic community has been mounting pressure on Coinbase to list Terra Classic Coin. Now remember, Coinbase have earlier listed this coin, but because of the crash of Terra Classic as of last year between April and May, Coinbase decided to remove Terra Classic from their platform, and right now people are actually mounting pressure for Coinbase. Now Terra Classic have been benefiting from the support from Binance, especially Binance founder CZ, and also other crypto exchanges. Now we believe that very soon Binance US will be listing Terra Classic Coin, and Terra Classic have also gained Bittime exchange listing this coin, and I believe that Coinbase listing will help the burning of Terra Classic. By the time the burning of Terra Classic and that of Binance, I believe this coin is definitely going to become one of the biggest coins soon. Now, Coinbase listing this coin, I believe that might be happening this year, because we also have rumor of Coinbase trying to buy over $245 million worth of Terra Classic, and I hope for that rumor to be true. But I believe with Coinbase listing, that is definitely going to become the biggest Terra Classic listing of 2023. Yes, because Coinbase, if we talk about after Binance, you mentioned Coinbase, and I believe for that to actually happen. But please believe that, remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.